In this tutorial, we are going to learn MySQL Alter command. Here you can see a table named student. And in this table, we have total 4 students. And also we have total 3 columns in this table, name, age and city. And now I want to do some modify in this table. Suppose I want to add a new column in the existing table. Suppose we want to add gender column in this table. Otherwise, I want to change the data type of age column. Now our age column data type is varchar, but I want to change the data type varchar to int. So this is one kind of modification. Otherwise, you want to reorder your column name. You want to move city column first of the order and name column last of the order and name column last of the order, something like that. So the reordering is also one kind of modification. And also if you want to change any column name, otherwise you want to change table name, for all type of modification we have a command. And we call this command alter command. Using alter command we can change anything in our table. So let's see what can we do using alter command. At first we can add a new column in a table. If you want to add a new column in an existing table, in that case you need to use alter command. And also you can change data type of a column. If you want to convert int data type to varchar data type, in that case you can use alter command. Not only that, you can change column name also. Suppose our existing column name is just name and I want to replace this name with student name. In that case you can use this command. And if you want to add any restriction in your existing column, in that case also you can use this command. So you can add constraint to a column. And also you can change the column position. You can delete the column, and at last using this alter command you can change table name. But for all type of modification we have different syntax and we need to use it with alter command. Let me show you. Suppose you want to add a new column in a table. In that case you need to type alter table name, and then you need to type a keyword which is add, then your column name and your column data type. And also you can add some constraint with that. For add a new column in a table you need to use add keyword with alter command. And if you want to modify the column, you need to type alter table name, then you need to type modify keyword, then similarly column name and data type. And if you want to delete the column, just you need to type alter table name drop column. You need to type drop column keyword, and then you need to provide the column name. Similarly, if you want to rename the column, you need to type alter table name. You need to use change keyword. At first you need to pass your existing column name, and then you need to pass your new column name, and also you need to pass the data type of this column. And if you want to rename your table name, in that case you need to type alter table name, and you need to use rename keyword, and then you need to type your new table name. So this is the introduction video of alter keyword. As you can see, I already opened XAMPP control panel, and also I start Apache and MySQL. And as you can see, I already established my connection. You can see in your left side there is a database named students, and inside this database we have total 2 tables, city and student. And as you can see, inside this student table we have total 5 students, Advan, Smith, Sophia, Neha and Mia. With that we have total 3 column, ID, name and DOB, means date of birth. And now I want to add another column in this table. For that I am going to use alter command. Let me show you how. So at first I am going to type alter table, ALTER, table, and then you need to provide the table name, and our table name is student. And then you need to use a keyword which is add, ADD. When we need to create a new column in a table, in that case we need to use add keyword. And now we need to provide the new column name, and our column name is email. And for email I'm going to take varchar data type, and I'm going to take total 200 character for email. Let's execute the code and see is it work properly or not. As you can see, it executes successfully. If I show you my table and reload my table, as you can see there is a new column named email. So you can create new column using alter command. Not only that, you can reorder this column. You can reorder this column also. Suppose you want to show the column after name, and before the DOB. In that case, you can use alter command also. Let me show you how. It's mean I want to modify my email column. So in that case, we need to type alter table name. Here we need to use modify keyword. Modify. After modify, we need to provide the column name. Means which column we want to modify. In our case, I want to modify email. Also, I'm going to use same data type for this column. Then we need to use another keyword, which is after. So here I'm going to type after. Next, we need to provide the column name. After which column you want to put this email column. And as you can see, our column name is name. So I'm going to type name here. So let's execute the code and see is it work properly or not. If I execute this code and show you my table and reload my table, here you can see the email column after name column. Not only that, also we can change the data type of any column. Suppose I want to change the data type of email column. In that case, you can use alter command also. If I show you the data type of this column, as you can see, email column data type is varchar. So I'm going to change the data type of this column. And now I want to convert this varchar data type into an int data type. For that, we need to type alter table student, modify our column name email. For now, we don't need these lines. And here we need to type the data type, which is int. And then we need to pass the total character, how much character we want for our column. I'm going to pass 20 character. So if I execute this code and show you my table structure, here you can see our email data type is int. So as you can see, we successfully convert our column data type using alter command. And now I want to add some constant in this column. I want to say for this column I want unique data. When I create the column, we forgot to declare the constant. So we can add constant after creating the column using alter command. For that, we need to type alter table, our table name, student. Then we need to use add keyword, ADD. And now we need to pass the constant name. I want to use unique constant, so I'm going to type unique. Unique, inside the parenthesis, we need to provide the column name. And our column name is email. So let's execute the code and see is it work properly or not. As you can see, our query runs successfully. And if I show you my table properties once again, let me show you. As you can see, there is a tick mark on unique column. It's mean every time we need to pass unique value for this column. We cannot use duplicate value for this column. So using similar process, you can make this column primary key. Just you need to type primary key here. And now I want to change the column name. As you can see, our column name is email. And I want to rename this column and I want to make it email ID. For that, we need to use change keyword. Let me show you. Alter table student, we need to use change keyword. Change our old column name, which is email. And then we need to pass our new column name, which is email ID. Email underscore ID. And also we need to pass the data type, which is varchar. So I'm going to type varchar. Email I use 200 character. So if I execute this code and show you my table, as you can see, we successfully changed the column name. And you can see our new column name is email ID. Not only that, also we changed the data type of this column. Let me show you. As you can see, now the data type is varchar and it's take 200 character. Not only that, using alter command, we can delete any column. Let me show you how. For this, we need to type alter table, our table name. As you can see, our table name is student. And then we need to type drop column command. Drop column. And then we need to pass the column name. And our column name is email ID underscore ID. If I execute this code, it's going to remove the column from this table. So let's execute the code. If I show you my table and reload my table, as you can see, there is no column named email ID. So this is it for this tutorial. In the next tutorial, we are going to learn how can we modify tables, remove tables, or change table name using alter command. So thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for our next tutorial.